Sawiki 2-in-1 speed shorty. That's what we got right here. I'm gonna crack open the box, check it out. So let's get to it. Sawiki wiki wiki, Sawiki. Hey guys. Holy shit. Holy shit. Nothing wrong with tab performance slip-ons. Absolutely zero problems with the tab slip-ons. They were awesome. But if you want some power, 2-to-1. I don't know if Sawiki speed's the best, but as in my book right now, the answer is hell yeah.